ಅರಿವು ಮೂಡಿಸೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಶ್ರಮ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಈ ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳಿಬೇಕು. ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು 100 ವರ್ಷ ಶಾಶ್ವತವಾಗಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ತಲೆಮಾರಿಗೂ ಇದು ಬೆಳೆಯುತ್ತೆ. ಅವರ ಜ್ಞಾನ, ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಕೃತ್ಯಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಪರಿಸರಕ್ಕೆ ದೇಣಿಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಒಂದು ಮನಸ್ಸಿಂದ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಿಟ್ಟಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ USA ಇಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಜಾನ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರು ಅವ್ರು ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ. ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಈ ಒಂದು ಜ್ಞಾನ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದ
I thought it was really cool, and they plant seeds very differently here than they do in the United States. So it was great to experience something new.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
I felt that it was simple to create life and create food and how we could sustain ourselves with a simple action like planting something.
Okay, thank you.
Long-standing relationship with MIDI. He's always welcomed us and hosted us, and to becoming just contributing members to their communities. So really appreciate you continuing to host us and continuing to give us a really beautiful program and all of your smiling faces. We love coming to see them. So thank you again for having us.
Now they are already using commercial.
That's really
in
good.
Indian conditions.
That's so
It is a highly tropical plant. It grows well in Indian conditions, Asian countries, not like desperate like European, American. Not
That's
compared.
really good. It's good for the environment.
That's so cool.
Yeah. Now we can produce
I'm good.
Can you make out the difference? Huh? These are Indian seed balls and these are foreign seed balls. Yeah. India, if the shape is like this, if it has come like this, means it is called bhaji. So it is a delicious bhaji. So generally we used to eat that. Thank you. Nicely you are prepared. Now it is a time for photograph. Please sit erect. We'll have a photograph now. All together with a good smile and open laugh. Everybody.